Cracking the code, unveiling Flinks revenue, and why it matters. Ever feel like your bank account is a black box? You know money goes in and out, but where's the detailed breakdown? That's where open banking comes in, and companies like Flinks are making waves. They essentially act as a translator, letting you connect your bank info to other financial apps, giving you a clearer picture of your financial health. But how does Flinks, the financial data guru, make its own money? That's a question we're about to answer. But first, understanding Flinks' business model is key. Imagine Flinks as a bridge. On one side, you have banks and financial institutions with a treasure trove of customer data. On the other side, you have fintech apps and services hungry for that data to innovate and personalize your financial experience. Flinks builds the bridge, facilitating the secure flow of data with their open banking API and platform. Here's where it gets interesting. Flinks doesn't directly sell your data. Instead, they offer a subscription-based service to businesses, the app developers, lenders, or budgeting tools you use. These businesses pay Flinks a fee to access their secure platform and leverage the open banking connection. Think of it as a toll booth on the bridge. Businesses pay a fee to get their data trucks across. Now, the exact revenue numbers for Flinks are a closely guarded secret. Private companies aren't obligated to disclose their financials publicly. But we can dig into some clues to paint a clearer picture. In August 2021, Flinks received a significant investment of $103 million, with a chunk specifically earmarked for North American expansion. This suggests strong potential for growth, and investors wouldn't be putting their money down if they didn't see a viable revenue stream. News articles also mention Flinks having a growing revenue and a robust base of customers. While not specific figures, these terms imply a healthy and expanding business. Here's another puzzle piece. Flinks operates on a freemium model for end users like you and me. There's a basic service that allows you to connect your bank accounts. But for more advanced features, like data analysis or personalized financial insights, some fintech apps might require a premium subscription. This indirectly contributes to Flinks' revenue model, as these premium features often rely on the data connection facilitated by Flinks' platform. So, while we can't pinpoint Flinks' exact revenue, the evidence suggests a secure and growing business model. Their role as a facilitator in open banking positions them for continued success, especially as data privacy and financial transparency become increasingly important. But here's the bigger question: why should you care about Flinks' revenue model? Well, a healthy Flinks translates to a more robust open banking ecosystem. This means more innovation, more competition, and ultimately, more choices and better tools for you to manage your finances. So, Flinks' success is indirectly your success in taking control of your financial well-being. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.